Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Children, as we have done last time how decimal can be converted into binary and binary to decimal. Hope you understood the concept very well and done the homework as I have given you. Today I am going to explain you how decimal number can be converted into octal and how it can be converted into hexadecimal number. Please watch the video carefully. Now see children, conversion of decimal number to octal is similar to the conversion of decimal to binary. The only difference is the base. In this number system, we have to divide the decimal number with 8 because we know we are having octal number, we are having numbers from 0 to 7. So base of octal number system is 8. Now let's take I'm taking one example, 2568. So this decimal is to be converted into octal number. So octal number base is 8. Now see, we know 8 3s are 24 and then 8 2s are 16 and 8 1s are 8, so we will get the remainder 0. Now 8 4s are 32. Now this cannot be divided, so remainder we will write on here. 8 5s are 40 and remainder is 0. Now see, this cannot be further divided, so we will keep it at here, and you know how we are writing the answer from bottom to top. So here we are having 5 0 1 0. So this number 2568 decimal, if we convert into octal, so it will be saved in this form 5010. So I hope children, I'm going to take one more example. So 1792, this decimal number is to be converted into octal number, right? So you know the formula, it should be divided with 8. Now 8 2s are 16. If children, if you find that it is difficult, you can do in this way also. 1792, 8 2s are 16, and then again 8 2s are 16 and 8 4s are 32. So we will get the remainder. So this remainder we will write down here, and quotient we have to write down here. So we will get 224. Now again divide. 8 2s are 16 and 8 8s are 64. So we will get remainder 0. Now see, this is the quotient and remainder we get 0. Now 8 3s are 24. So what is the remainder here? Number 4. So this number cannot be further divided, so this we will write down here, and answer you know from bottom to top. So 3400 is the answer, octal number. If we divide 1792 decimal number into octal, so we will get this number. Children, now I am going to explain decimal number to hexadecimal number. Children, the conversion of decimal to hexadecimal is also similar to the conversion of decimal to binary and decimal to octal. The only difference is the base. In this number system, we have to divide the decimal number using 16 because in last video I told you hexadecimal we are having 16 numbers Hex means 6 and decimal means 10. So base of hexadecimal is 16. So decimal number is to divide it with 16 number. So I am taking one example. Suppose first let me write down which number we are having. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. So this is decimal number, and for hexadecimal we are having 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. For 10 we 10 is represented by A, then 11B, 12C, 13D, 14E and 15 with F. So decimal number we are having 0 to 9, and then hexadecimal we are having 10 to 15. So we are having 16 digits. So base of hexadecimal is 16. I'm taking one example. Let's see, 960 is to be divided into hexadecimal. Now, children, see, you can also do in this way. 16 6 96. So we get the remainder here, 0. Sixteen threes are 48. So remainder we will get 12. This cannot be further divided, so we will write on here 3. So children, you know how to write the answer from bottom to top. So we will write down 3. 12 cannot be written in this way. 12 in hexadecimal, in place of 12 we are writing C. So 3C and 0. This is the answer when we convert decimal number to hexadecimal number. So 960 decimal, when we convert into hexadecimal, we will get 3C0. Now I'm taking one more example. 1228. So this decimal number is to be converted into hexadecimal. Now children, 16 sevens are 112 and 16 sixes are 96. So we will get remainder 12. 16 fours are 96. 16 fours are 64, and remainder we will get 12. So this cannot be further divided. So we are writing 4 here. So as you know that 12 cannot be written in this way. So in place of 12 we are writing C. Answer is 4CC. When we convert 1228 decimal number into hexadecimal, we will get number 4CC. Children, I hope you understood the concept of how to convert decimal number to octal and decimal to hexadecimal. Children, I am giving you some decimal numbers that are to be converted into octal number and hexadecimal number. And children, please share your answers with me through email. Please note down my email ID.